In June 2017, mobile roaming charges in the EU came to an end. Since then, European subscribers have been able to make calls, send text and use data across all EU countries, plus Norway, Iceland and Liechtenstein, without being charged extra. In other words, to roam like at home.
The current regulation will expire next year, and we will take the chance to improve quality of service for customers.
The rollout of new technologies like 5G and a growing number of phone subscribers using ever more data mean the old rules need a refit. On top of this, the COVID-19 pandemic has shown how reliant we are on communications technologies. The European Parliament wants to extend the roaming regulation for 10 more years, and this time it's set to go even further. It would ensure better services for customers by ending practices like lower data speeds when roaming.
It should be the room-like-at-home experience, and it's prohibited to lower the speed of service.
Telecoms companies would also have to better inform users about the costs of any extra services when they're away from home. And there'd be increased harmonisation for emergency calls, including free caller location services throughout the EU.